Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I want to do a quick tip today for Tech Tip Tuesday on how to do staggered wall framing. And I've got it set up here with a 4 exterior walls and 1 interior wall. I'm going to open this interior wall and go to wall types and define that wall type. I'm going to copy this wall type. Let me back up a couple steps here. I'm going to draw one more wall type. I'm going to double click on this vertical wall, go to wall types, and define this. If I don't copy this wall type here, that will change both the interior walls because they're both wall type of interior 4 exist. So I'm going to copy this wall type and call this, instead of copy, I'm going to call it staggered. Next, I'm going to select this first stud 16 inches on center and insert below. I could have done insert above, but insert below works as well. Last but not least, I want the thickness of these layers correct. The question on Facebook was wanting a 2x8 plate, so I'm going to do 7 1/4 divided by 2. That's 3 5/8. So I'll make both of them 3 5/8. I've got my 2 stud layers, 3 5/8 wide. Click OK. Click OK. And that means that my stud face to face here is not center. Stud to stud is 7 1/4. Okay. And then I'm going to just check my defaults, walls, interior wall, and go to structure and make sure stagger multiple framing layers is selected. You do the same thing if you're doing exterior walls as well. Structure, stagger multiple. Now I'm going to select this wall, and for sake of giggles, I'm just going to frame this one wall here. Build framing for selected objects. Now I'm going to take a section of this, my framing, and you'll see I have plates, top and bottom, 2 layers of plates. So I'm just going to delete one and select this plate and drag it over. Same at the top. Delete these double plates and drag them over. Now when I take my framing perspective overview, like I'll have to do the same over here. That's fine. Now I've got my double top. Now what's weird is you do have 3 5/8 studs here. You might have to change those, and I could manually change those. Select contains. 28 objects are selected. I can't. Options. It automatically is going to make that. I can't select that stud and make it 3.5. Say, unless I do each individual stud like this. I have to do every stud. Hope that's helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe down there. Until next time, have a great week.